edible golden strawberries like this, you will need an airbrush and compressor. We recommend the Spraycraft SP66 Retro Kit. Metallic colours are thicker. Not all airbrushes can handle them. The Spraycraft SP66 does with ease. To create this effect, we simply spray the strawberries with Magic Colours Metallic Airbrush Gold and finish with Pixie Dust Sultan Gold. Let's start airbrushing. Slowly apply the first coat of edible gold colour. The strawberry is delicate, so take time applying thin coats. After each coat, leave the strawberries to dry. Apply coats until happy with the coverage. Don't worry, the strawberries will shine like gold when dry. That's it. Once finished and dry, you can sprinkle some Magic Colours Pixie Dust for best results.